A warm welcome, students. In this video, we'll be solving a problem on triangles, and this is to class 10 syllabus. And this problem has been taken from NCERT exemplar. And let's see the question. A diagram has been given, and it's also been given that DE is parallel to BC. And you are required to find the ratio between areas of ADE, which is a triangle, and the area of DECB, which is a trapezium, because DE is parallel to BC, it's a trapezium. And we got the length of DE is 6 units and length of BC is 12 units. And what if I tell you, you can solve this problem in less than 1 minute? Either you will be surprised or you won't believe me. But watch the video till the end and you will agree with me at the end of the video. So let's solve the problem. You first visualize the given diagram. There are two triangles. One is ADE, another triangle is ABC. If you subtract the area of triangle ADE from area of triangle ABC, and it's a magic, and you got the area of the trapezium DECB. So simple, isn't it? So now let's go further to solve the rest of the problem. Since DE is parallel to BC, triangle ABC and triangle AD are similar triangles, and we have common angle at A, it implies angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, and angle AED is equal to angle ABC. By BPT, that is the basic proportionality theorem, the corresponding sides are proportional. And what are the corresponding sides here? AD and AB, AE and AC, and DE and BC. Since we have DE by BC is equal to 6 by 12, that applies to all the corresponding sides. Therefore, the corresponding sides of the two triangles are in proportion to 1:2. And let's see another property of similar triangle, which says the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So what did it mean? AD square by AB square, that is AD by AB whole square, which is equal to AE by AC whole square, which is equal to DE by BC whole square, which is equal to 1 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 4. This implies the area of triangle ADE and the area of triangle ABC are in the ratio of 1 by 4. So now let's find out the area of a trapezium. So for that, what we have to do, we have to assign, for the sake of simplicity of our calculation, let's assign x to the area of triangle ADE. Therefore, the area of triangle ABC becomes 4x. And what is the area of trapezium? Triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC minus the area of triangle ADE, which is 4x minus x, which is equal to 3x. Therefore, the required ratio is x by 3x, which is equal to 1 by 3, or 1:3. So it's done. How simple isn't it, students? So try to visualize the problem statement. So it will result in a very quicker response time, and you can solve any question very fast and mostly in less than a minute. By practice, you can do it. So practice more and more problems from, especially from NCERT exemplar, and see you all in the next video. Good day.